the food, sangkalan?
Yes. I just want to comb your hair. Huh? I just want to comb your hair.
Oh, what are you going to do next? We're going to color the book or what?
Let's color my book. Yes. Well, after we sleep, let's color a book.
Yes. Mama will
I want to go to
sleep.
playground.
But it's raining.
Please.
But it's raining, man. Oy.
Please.
You want to go to playground?
Yeah.
You really do?
I want to go to the playground.
Anong itinerary nyo? Tayong si Nilo.
I want to go
Punta
to the
ng-
playground. I want to go to the
Sa
playground.
simbahan. Kasi ate sa simbahan din. Eh kung gusto mo bang mag-playground na lang sila?
Ngayon?
Oo. Mag-playground. Tapos,
Hanggang ano? Ano ang saba?
hindi, 1 hour lang yung playground eh. Kung gusto mo lang. You really want to go playground?
Yes, we want to go to
O,
playground.
sige, tapos dito na lang din ako, tapos mag-book na lang din dito.
It's good.
Oh, just slowly, slowly. Ano pa naman ako. Ito yung suot ko ng kasal niya dito.
Come on, kids! Sit down to sit down, please, down. And ang dami ng kids agad. Once again, we're inviting all the kids to the Bobo area, Narikiri, Aircraft, and Toy Corner. Come on, kids, join us. Come on, we will be having fun here. Alright, sit down with the kids. Please sit down. Hi, kids! Hello! Are you having fun? Yes, of course. Before we start, I would like to introduce our event team. My name is Ate Kia, your host for today, together with Ate Abby. Say hi to Ate Abby. Hi! Alright, let's start na po na. Let's sing a Twinkle Twinkle Traffic Light, but with a tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. All you have to do is follow Ate Kia and Ate. Okay, Ate Abby. Sing. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, on the corner shining bright. Red means stop, green means go, yellow means very, very slow. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, on the corner shining bright. Good job, let's do it one more time. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, on the corner shining bright. Red means stop, green means go, yellow very, very slow. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, on the corner shining bright. Good job, kids! Now, i-physical mga kids. Alright. Ang gagawin natin for today is what we call a traffic light. Sino lang makita na ng traffic light? Alam niyo, marami sila. Saan nakikita ang traffic light? Sa road. Okay. Again, ang ating gagawin is traffic light. Meron po tayo dito piece of paper. Meron po tayong tatlong bilog. may naka-print po na traffic light. Okay. Sa ating traffic light, ang first step po is, what color is this? Red means stop. Good job. And then second step, second light is color? Yellow means very slow. Good job. And last is color? Which means is? Go. Good job ang ating mga kids. Okay, pwede na tayong mag-sit down sa ating mga chairs behind the kids. And wait natin si Ate Abby na i-distribute ang ating materials. Okay? Ang daming kids today. Okay, meron pa pong chairs here. Okay, sit down. 2 more, 3. Sino pa walang chair? 3 kids. Okay, for a while. Ang daming kids today.
Si Elisa, di ba sumunod ko sa instruction ng ano? Hindi kasi Asya nakikinig na siya eh.
Okay.
Yung puwet ni ate.
Wait natin si Ate Abby, okay?
Puwet na ni ate nakakapsyon. Basta ba maganda angel?
Okay, yung may mga luna, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa ating first step, which is color red. Ang color red. Meron si Guardians, pwede nyo kong i-guide ang mga kids sa kanilang activity today. Again, our first step is color red, which means stop. Sa taas po is color red. Means stop. Again, para si Gorgeous, pwede niyo po i-guide ang inyong mga kids.
At ang ating Elisa ay absent. Elisa is absent.
What is here? What is like this one?
Yellow naman po yun.
Again, sa ating second step is color yellow. Ayan, tapos si ate. Sit down muna yung mga finish niya. So sit down here again. And last step is color green. Which means is gold. Again, first step is red. Second is
Yellow.
okay, huh? What's your name, ate?
Oh, more green here.
Pia? Pia? Okay. Tapos sa si Pia. Okay, you finish po. Sit down here. And then mag-take po tayo ng pictures and group videos.
Yeah. More green, oh. Ito, more green, oh. More.
Ayun. Okay, please, sit down ka lang yan, ha? Wait natin yung iba.
Okay na.
Okay po, bye-bye! Thank you!
Baby, come na. Oh, you see? You finish na, Intan. Oh, Intan. Oh, you sit na here. You finish. You finish na.
Sit down na. Hawakan niyo po muna yung inyong mga artwork.
Oh, you help each other na lang.
Okay, once again, yung mga finish na po, you may sit here po.
Yellow, baby. Push the yellow.
Sit down na kuya, sit down. Wait natin yung iba, okay?
Put yellow and green. Finish ka na, baby.
Ayan, meron ulit tapos. Okay, please sit here, ate. Okay, sit down po.
Yes, this one baby like this. Okay, you put baby.
Meron pa tayo 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kids na inaantay. Okay, sit down po. Good job. Sit
Good
down.
job. Finish ka na.
Ayan, marami na silang finish. Sit down na po. Kuya, sit down. Okay.
Ethan. Okay, come on in. Come in. Ethan, you finish.
Last 3 kids. Ito po ating finish product.
Finish na, baby. Okay, put mo na say,
Okay, wait
say
natin
I'm
yung iba. Okay,
finished.
kids. Mag-picture ka tayo, okay?
You carry na your work. Hey, let me this one. You carry na your work. And then you say, I'm finished. Oh, you finish na ikaw. Okay. You carry this. You bring and then you say, I'm finished.
Okay, sit down po, ate. Okay, last one. Come here, ate. Come here.
Eliza! Eliza! Where's Intan? Intan! Oh, okay.
Okay, sit down po.
Intan! You want to sit with her cousin?
Ay, okay po.
Okay, cousin. Okay.
Okay, last two na lang, kids. Ay, last one, okay? Okay, kids. Please show your work. Show your work to Ate Kia. Like
Eliza,
this one. Show it. Sit down po, sit down. Show it. Okay, let's practice. When I say Kitsuna, you will shout hooray, okay? And 3, 2, 1. Kitsuna! Hooray! Gusto ni Ate Kia yung louder. Kitsuna! Alright, parents and guardians, dito po tayo sa harap ng mga kids to take them a pictures and
Elisa,
video.
yeah.
Okay, last na. Last, sit down po muna, sit down. Last na po. Okay, gusto ni Ate Kia yung louder. And okay, kids, may question si Ate Kia. Sino gusto mag-celebrate ng birthday here sa Kitsuna? Here's your hand.
Raise.
Ayun, marami sila. Good news, parents and guardians. We have different party packages sa counter area. Pwede rin po kayo mag-download ng Kitsuna app to your mobile phone. And of course, don't hesitate to ask our friendly Kitsuna.